What is up, you guys? So today I have no swag because today was cooking day. So we're currently New Year's Eve and I decided to do the soupjoumou, which is a Haitian soup that we do every 1st of January, or for every 1st of January, to celebrate our independence. So when we got our independence, we ate whatever we wanted, and that was one of the things that we ate. Going to try and attempt to do it, and the reason why I'm trying to attempt to do it is because I've never done it before, because I always had my mom, but now that I'm a wife and I live in Nova Scotia, my parents live in Ontario, but she's not here, so I got to do this by myself. And yeah, so basically that's what we're doing today. So I made a clip of the steps, and let's hope I can nail this, guys, because if I can, I'll be so proud of myself. If not, we'll try next year. All right, y'all, so now the vegetables are cut, everything is ready to go. This in to the pot so we can boil it. All right, you guys, so now the squash is all boiled, and now we're also going to boil our meat. I already put the meat in the fridge a couple hours before, and then yeah, now I'm gonna boil it. I'm gonna take the squash and I'm going to blend it, and I'm going to make the base for the soup. So see you back in a couple. Now we blended our squash, we're going to drain it, make sure it's really saucy. We have all the vegetables cut up, so now we're going to put all the vegetables inside here so it can boil. So here we go. So now we're going to put the meat inside. I had to change pots because my pot was not big enough. We're going to add some noodles to finish it off, and then we're just going to let it simmer. And now my soup is all done, you guys. I think I did pretty good for my first time. What do you guys think? Let me know if your girl killed it or not. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and come back for more, you guys. Happy New Year. Love you guys so much.